Hello there. Welcome to this problem solving session for grade 2 math and logical reasoning for competitions. In this video, I'll show you how to solve problems where two or more people continue to play a game or several games until one of them wins a certain number of games. Let's start with a simple example. John and Sid are playing tennis until first of them wins for the third time. Sid wins third and fourth games, and then they stop playing. How many games did John win? So, in this kind of problems, we have to know first when the game ended and who won. So, in this particular problem, we have John and Sid who are playing, and we know that some games were won by John and how some were played won by Sid. So we know that the winner, how many, we always know that how many games the winner won because that's already given in the problem. So the problem says that they continue to play until the first of them wins for the third time. So if someone wins three times, then they win the whole tournament or the whole series of games, and then it stops. So basically, we have to count how many total games were played, and then we have to subtract how many games the winner won, so that we can get the number of games that the other person won. So in this case, we have Sid wins the third and fourth game. So fourth is the last game. So the maximum number here is four. So we need four. We have to draw four lines. So basically, there are four games, and Sid wins this third and fourth. So we can say this is Sid and this is Sid. So we can just write S and S here. So two S's for the third and fourth. So for the rest, we know that whoever wins the third game. So we know that Sid has won three games. So the last two he has won, and one of these first two also he should have won because he needs total three games to win, and there were total four games. So if we say that Sid won one of these two, the other one was won by John. So basically, we can do this by counting total number of games. So the total number of games is four because the fourth, we say that they stop playing after the fourth game. So total games are four, and we subtract three because the winner wins three games. So we always do four. I mean, whatever the number of total games is minus the winner's games, winning number of games, and that gives us the number of games that other people have won. But in this case, there is just one person who is John, so we know the number of games that John has won. So that's the simplest problem. Let's take a little more complex problem of this kind of this type. So let's say there are, if to make this problem a little bit more complex, let's say there are more number of games. So we just tried four games. Let's say if we had more number of games, what would happen then? So Alex and Rami are playing chess until the first of them wins five times. Alex wins sixth and seventh games, and then they stop playing. So we know that after seventh game they stop playing. So there were total seven games, and we know what to do here. So we have four. So we draw the total number of games here. So five, six, and seven. So we have total seven games. So we delete this and this. So we have seven games, and we have drawn seven lines here. And how many games did Rami win? So we know the trick. So Alex is the winner. Whoever wins 5 times, they win. And Alex wins the 6 and 7 games, and then they stop. So whoever is stopping, whenever we are stopping, whoever playing winning the last game, he is the winner. So Alex wins the 6 and 7 games, and then they stop. That means after seventh game, Alex has won the required number of games to win the whole series, which is 5 times. So Alex has won 5 times, and that's why they stopped. And whoever wins the last game, basically, they wins they win 5 times. So Alex in this case has won 6 and 7, which is these two. So he has we have to assume that he has won 5 times. So out of 7, he has won 5. So we just cross out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We don't know which 5 he has won, but let's just cross out and see. Let's just subtract 5 from 7, and we are left with 2. So 7 minus 5, which is 2. So Rami has won 2 games. So this is our answer. So Rami has won 2 games. So this can be more and more complex. So we will go to our next problem, which is a bit more complex than all these two. So I'd say take a break now and pause this video and try the third problem on your own. So you'll know how if you can solve it by using the same method that I applied. It should be straight. I mean, almost the same. It's a little bit more trickier, but you should be able to solve it on your own. So just try it using the same method that I just explained, and then you can come back and watch this video where I'll continue explaining how this other problem can be solved. So here, Ashley boys Charlie were playing badminton, and they decided that the one who wins 3 matches will be the winner. They kept playing until Charlie won the seventh match. How many matches did Ashley win? So that's like here, there are 3 players now. So it's a little bit more complex. So pause the video and try it on your own, and then we'll resume from there. Okay, so hope you came back and you tried to solve the problem, and you solved the problem right. I'll still explain how to solve this problem, just in case you would like to know that. So we have this point that they kept playing until Charlie won the seventh match. So we know that Charlie won the last match. So whoever wins the last match, he is the winner. So Charlie won the seventh match, and he needed 3 matches to win. So by this match, he is a winner. So he is the seventh match, and Charlie became the winner. So we know that Charlie won 3 matches. So out of 7, he won 3. So the rest of the matches were won by the other players, right? So 7 minus 3. So 7 is the total number of matches that happened, and Charlie won 3. So 7 minus 3 is the total number of matches that other players won. So now we have Ashley and Boris, who in total won 4 matches, right? Because there are only 4 matches left to win. So now they're asking how many of these Ashley won. So how do we know if out of 4 matches, how many Ashley won? So this is a slightly trickier question, but let's see. So if there were 4 matches between Ashley and Boris, so it's possible that Ashley won 3 matches and Boris won 2 matches. Sorry, there are total 4. So if Ashley won 3, Boris won 1. If Ashley won 4, Boris would win 0. And if Ashley win 2, Boris will win 2, right? But there can be other combinations as well. Like Boris can win 3 and Ashley can win 1. Boris can win 4, Ashley can win 1, 0. But we have to think no one can win more than 2 matches, right? Because if they win 3 matches, they will already win the game. The games will stop. But we know that they can't win as many matches as the winner, right? So we know that 3 matches were won by Charlie and then it stopped. So whoever else were playing, they would maximum they can win. They can win two of the other matches. So it has to be like Ashley has to win two and Boris has to win two, and that's the only way. There is 2 plus 2, 4, which is the remaining number of matches, right? So we know that Ashley won 2 matches. So the correct answer is 2. So this is slightly more tricky, but you have to apply this logic that if between Ashley and Boris they won 4 matches, no one of them can win 3 or 4 matches. They can maximum win 2 matches. So if Ashley has won 2 matches, Boris will also win 2 matches because 2 plus 2 it has to be the sum has to be 4 for their total number of wins. So each of them won 2 matches. So hope you enjoyed solving these problems. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions and I'll explain how to solve that. If you have similar questions in mind, you can always post and I can get back to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.